Rizal's doubts on the Catholic Church.
So, number 1, Rizal doubts on the Catholic Church. The publication of Rizal's 2 novel, The Noli Me Tangere, The El Filibusterismo, made Rizal a target of the era, and the persecution of the fairs, clearly written on the page of 2 novel, where Rizal attacks on the fairs and practices of the Catholic Church. He was declared an excommunicado, which meant that he was expelled from the Catholic Church, and thus he could not receive it sacrament. So ang ginainaminada sa sa duwa ka libro naging obra ni Rizal is ang El Filibusterismo and Noli Me Tangere. So ang ginano da nimo na ang duwa ka libro na nga minimo na naging target ya mga persecute sa mga fairs kon mga pare nga nakaklaro nga sulat sa mga pages sa libro ni Rizal is nagina-attack niya ang mga fairs kag mga pamalakad sa mga Catholic churches. Kagin deklarar niya or siya ang deklarar niya ang excommunicado, which mean hindi na siya pwede kasulod sa mga Catholic churches kag hindi na siya pwede kabaton sa mga sakramento halin sa sulod pero si Rizal wala na paperde sa iyang mga ginapating nga mga abusive practices ang mga rehiyon nga ginahibalan. So sa mga attack sa Catholic Church ay nakapareho sa letter, pareho sa letter nga friend niya si Ferdinand Blumentritt nga parehas man siya isa ka liberal nga thinker. So ara daw sa but Rizal was never caught in his desire to expose that he believed were abusive practices of the religion which he was brought up to. One of the attack in the Catholic churches was mirrored in a letter he sent his friend si Ferdinand Blumentritt, so who like him was also liberal thinking, wrote him. So muna sa ang friend ni Rizal na pareho man siya nga liberal thinker.
So, for the continuation of the report of Cardinal Miraflor, that's all about the doctrine in Spanish period. What really happens in the Philippines is horrible. The friar abused the name of religion to enrich their large-landed states' religions, to seduce innocent women, religion to do away with an enemy, religion to disturb the peace between husbands and wife, and if not, to sully the wife's honor, which means friar is the member of religious groups who use religion to abuse people, to abuse innocent women, and they uses religion to disturb the peace between the husband and wife, or to degrade the honor of wife. In his novel Noli Me Tangere, Rizal expressed his doubts about the teaching of that Catholic Church on the salvation of mankind through Filosofong Tasio. Filosofong Tasio means the character in the Noli Me Tangere Rizal uses Pilosopong Tasyo to express the characterization of his characterization in the Noli Me Tangere. So, if the Catholic Church are only ones that can be saved, and one of them only 5%, as the many priests ever run in the Catholic Constitute, but 12th part that words population statistics are to be believed. The results would be that after thousands upon thousands of people has been punished during the countless ages that passed before the coming of Redeemer. So, in the statement emphasizes that the Catholic Church is the only one that can save people, but Rizal says only 5% of the priests are good or in really a religious priest. So he believed that the results would be the thousands upon thousands of people has been punished during the countless ages before the coming of Redeemer. The God's sons who died for us, only 5 out of every 1,200 souls could be saved surely. That cannot be true. No, so colossal calamity is impossible. To believe blasphemy. So, expressing the further arguments on man's salvations, Rizal, speaking through Pilosopong Tasyo, was continued. Mana is not a necessary part of creation, but an accident of it. So, mana was not a necessary part of creation of God, but an accident. God could not have created him. If to make one happy, he had to condemn to eternal misery hundreds of people in a moment, and all for some congenital faults. If such beliefs were not blasphemy against God, who must be the highest God, the Phoenician Moloch, the bloody deity, that horrible divinity, who gorged himself on human victims and innocent blood. So, Phoenician Moloch means a Canaanite god who associated child sacrifice and worship by Phoenicians. So, and whose entrails babes for torn of their mother's breasts were burnt. So, ang mga bata nga gagmay nga gadidi pa sa ilang nanay, so ging pangsunog, would be beside him for frail maiden. Frail maiden was a fragile or vulnerable young woman which means the weak nga babae blaw. And that's all.
The issue became more confusing when Father Manuel Gracia revealed that he accidentally found the original restruction document among the files of Archbishop, but his revelation came out after 4 decades of silence. Another priest, Father Francisco A. Ortiz, published an English document which he claimed as the original restruction of Rizal. This brought more confusion to the restruction issues. About sa restruction issue of Rizal's became more confusing sang si Manuel Gracia ginrebuild ya accidentally kag na found out ya ang original restruction of Rizal nga document nga among sa mga files sang Archbishop, but his revelation came out after 4 4 decades of silence. And may isa ka priest nga si Father Francisco A. Ortiz nga nag-publish sang English document which is gina-claim niya nga amo ni sa ang original destruction of Rizal. So this issue brought more confusion about sa destruction of Rizal. Then ang until now mga tao ga debate kung diin ang original kay kada statement sang isa kag isa may kinalain kag we can't deny the fact nga may araman sila similarities about sa destruction of Rizal. Okay, pre.
The beginning of the retraction controversy. When and how did this controversy on the retraction of Rizal start? The retraction issue started when the publication of Ritana claiming that he had the retraction document of Rizal. When this was published, Father PUP came out with his own retraction document which he claimed as the original. He said that the secured La Huerte or Ark Hesha Nozaleda for safekeeping. He had it published in an article entitled La Muerte Cristiana de Rizal, which he claimed he published to prove that Ritana document was not original. So, ang kontrobersiya sa retraction ni Rizal is nagsugod sang ginpublikar ni Ritana ang iya ginasiling nga dokumento sang retraction. Ini nga publikasyon kuno naghatag sang dako nga epekto sa mga tawo kag nagdulot sang pagduda sa mga impormasyon nga naangkon parte kay Rizal. Sa pagdungog si Father Pio nagwa kag nagrepresentar sang iyang retraction kag nagasiling amo ini ang original nga retraction ni Rizal. Ginasiling niya na ang dokumento ginbantayan ni La Huerte o Ark Hesha Nozaleda para sa safekeeping. And para ipakita na ang dokumento ni Ritana hindi original, ginpublika ni Father Pio ang iyang artikulo nga may titulo nga La Muerte Cristiana de Rizal. Ang mga pangitabo ngay ni nagpasulod sa mas madalom nga diskusyon kag kontrobersiya parte sa katotohanan sa retraction ni Rizal nga nagapadayon nga isyu sa kasaysayan sa Pilipinas.
So, good afternoon, sirs. Good afternoon, classmates. So, this is my report about the retraction of Rizal. So, before that, I will tell you what is retraction. So, retraction is the act of taking back an offer or statement or admitting that a statement was false. So, ang retraction, muna siya ang act ng kinabalik or gina-offeran ang imong statement or gina-admit mo sa imo nga sala. So, before that, this is my part. Analyzing the retraction issue. So, are you Jisoo telling the truth about the retraction document of Rizal? It is true that they have an original retraction document. Why did it take them so long before they revealed about it? Kag nga ang Jisoo naghambal nga ang retraction ni Rizal tuon. Kag kung tuon ang retraction ni Rizal nga wa ay nila ginpakita or nadugaya pag sila i-reveal sa mga tao nga ang retraction ni Rizal is tuon, diba? If Rizal really retracted, why did they allow his execution to push through? Why did they not do something to prevent it? Nga ako ng retraction ni Rizal is tuon, nga wala nila gin-allow sa execution or wala sila naghimo nga pag-agi nga i-prevent ang amuna. They are claiming that Rizal returned to the fold of the Catholic faith. If it was true, why? Kag nga aging claim nila nga si Rizal ginbalik ang retraction sa Catholic nga pagtuo kag nga aging lubong lang siya ang iya nga most despicable manner kag nga ula sa ginlubong nga may coffin. Rizal's name was entered in the list of those who died without repenting their sins. If he retracted, therefore, he repented for his sin. If he had sinned from the point of view of the Catholic Church, why was his name included in the list? Kag kung naa si Rizal, ang ara iyang ngalan sa mga repented, kag naa, wa ay sa na-retracted dir sa iyang mga sala. Kag naa ang mga points sang Catholic Church nga ginapahatag, ginaview sa aton, kag naa ang name ni Rizal include Japon sa retraction. And why are there three versions of the retraction of the national hero, which one is true? If he really retracted, pag sa diin siya sa tatlo ka version ni Rizal nga retraction, diin ta ang tuod. Ang mga ginapamangkot di. Let us take a look once again at the attempt to bring Rizal back to the Catholic Church. Padre Pablo Ramon, Federico Parua, Padre Paula de Sanchez, at Padre Pablo Castal. Kita ko kung ito sa inyo kung sino ang tatlo kapare. The priest had soft spots in heart of Rizal. They all tried their best with their brilliant argument to convince him to back the right path. No one of them succeeded. How come an ordinary priest in the person of Father Balaguer was able to convince Rizal to retract everything he had said against the church in so short a time left before execution? And what did Father Balaguer use in convincing Rizal to retract the simple traits of condemnation to hell? Kag naa sa 2, 3, 4, 5 kapari nga isa lang si Father Balaguer lang ang nakakonvince kay Rizal na ordinary priest na mabalik ang pagtuo sa Katoliko. Colas wrote of the trait which according to Father Balaguer he used. The trait the most infamous and outrageous libel on God was coupled with the absurd doctrine of exclusive salvation long excluded and rejected by European thinkers. How Rizal, who was possessed of a very strong character, could be found by his trait of eternal damnation in hell when he argued and stressed that he did not believe in hell because the God that he knew was a loving and forgiving God. He would never push his children. It should be clear that Rizal turned his back on the Catholic Church, that he never turned away from God. Even in his Ultimo Adios, he wrote, "For I go where no slave before the praise servants, where faith can never kill and God reign ever on high." So nga si Rizal na possess some strong character, kag naa treat pa siya sa iya ang eternal damnation sa impyerno. Kag nga ginargo yung mandi nga that he did not believe in hell. Kag wala siya kapati sa impyerno, kapati siya sa Diyos. Amuna nga hindi tamambal na si Rizal talikudan niya ang simbahang Katolik. Did Father Balaguer lie when he claimed that Rizal retracted by virtue of the documents? Miguel de Unamuno, a Spaniard who was classmate of Rizal in the Central University of Madrid, said that the authenticity of the retraction document which Father Balaguer claimed was done by Rizal was doubtful. He further said one has read between the lines the stupidities and vulgarities with which Father Balaguer must have bludged one for Rizal in order to prove that the punished friar at that time could restore to life. Unamuno stressed friar are generally recruited in Spain from among the persons, most unquote and most unpolished classes. Lubac wrote of the Rizal retraction. Father Balaguer did what Spanish friar did in his day, frame a story so as to discredit a Filipino, and incidentally to give himself a Spaniard's credit for a marvelous conversation. A proposal of 3 retraction document is necessary to give the students of history a chance to make their own analysis of the controversial issue. So, amo na ding pag-analyze sa retraction ni Rizal, which is hindi pa sa Mayo fixed gate kay hasta subong do wala ta dyan po nabalaan hasta subong do ginadebate ta siya. Agari na. Kung si Father Pio P. in Rizal Retraction. Si Father Pio, siya ni sa nag-declare that he had accepted the task because he considered Rizal to be an Ateneo Municipal High School, very distinguished and dear pupil. Amuna naman siya, no? Siya naman ni ang nagano sa affidavit, who is sa retraction, may ara isa ka priest nga nakadiscover sang copy sa retraction Rizal. An exact copy of the retraction written and signed by Rizal, the handwriting of his copy, I don't know nor do I remember whose it is. It proceeded, I even suspect that it might be written by Rizal himself. So before the ang summary sa retraction Rizal is a few hours before he was shot, Rizal signed a document stating that he was a Catholic and retracted all his writing against the church. And the document were as the retraction, wherever Rizal retraction letter was discovered by Father Manuel Garcia, CN 1935 in the Catholic Hierarchy Archive in Manila. So, sa pagtiro kay Rizal, nakasign siya sa iyang retraction na ibaw itanan na hambal about sa Catholic Church. And that's all. Thank you.
From Carl John Mirafleur, Lean Marcolaya. Jasper Benedicto, Carl Heinz Keith Labrador, Lester John Bernardes, 2, Sir Angelo Bellarmino.